Okay, and again, ready whenever you are.
Okay. Hi, I'm James. I'm running for Vice President in Societies and Community. I believe I am best candidate for the job as I have a lot more experience in running a society and leadership training than the other cadets. I'm the President of the Poker Society, which I set up myself with my friend Joe. So I have a lot of experience in knowing what a society needs and the funding they need, etc. etc. Our society was helped out a great amount by our union, and that made me realise how valuable it is. I'm also a member of the University Officer Training Cadets, which gives me genuine leadership training. So I'll finish with a separate degree in leadership and management once that's finished, and that'll hopefully give me a bit more of an edge in how to run societies and be more of a listener and a leader rather than a boss. So yeah, that's what I'm going to stick with. Thank you very much.
Okay, so out of your manifesto, if you could only pick one thing to do next year, what would it be?
It would be the supporting societies in the advertisements, which would be a better online system, which is the main thing I will focus on. If I can get that done, I'll be happy. So it will just give all societies a place to advertise themselves online, and new students can come in and just click sign up there and then, and give them a better range to choose from.
Fantastic. Okay, so if you could sum your campaign up in a tweet, what would you say?
For a good leader and a good listener and a friendly person, vote James.